Hello guys, welcome to our channel Easy to Code. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a C program to print the cube of a given number. First of all, what is meant by cube of a given number? A cube of a number is a number multiplied by itself 3 times. So it is nothing but the same number repeating multiplying 3 times itself. Here you can see the cube of A can be defined as A into A into A, which is it is multiplying itself 3 times. Now let us write this in our program. Let me save this. Hash include stdio.h into main. Now let us take a variable name A, which is of type integer. Initialize this value with 10. Now I want to print the cube of this number. To print we use printf %d comma. Now in place of this I want the cube of this number, so we write here a into a, which the cube of this number a, variable a, will be displayed in this in place of %d. Now as we are using int here, we have to return a value at the end, return 0. Let us compile this and see. No errors and no warnings here. Now run this file. You can see here the output is displayed 1000, which is the cube of 10. Now instead of initializing this value, let us take the user input scanf %d comma ampersand of a. Now let us compile this, run this. It is waiting for an input. Let us input some number 5, enter. So you can see here the cube of the number 5 is 125. Okay, let us make this more understandable. Printf. Now let us ask the user to enter a number. So it is displayed in the output first before the scanf. Now let us compile this and run this. So it is displayed here, enter a number. So now the user understands and gives some value 3 and 27. So in this way we print the cube of a number using a C program.